Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. And today we have double trouble. I was in my favourite local toy shop. To you from across the pond, that would be hardware store or tool store. And they had a couple of these, Federal Lock HS70s. So, as you can see from the size of my hand, huge lump of brass. 14mm shackle, molybdenum, and they were at a really good price, so I ended up buying both of them. But they work very nice. Click, removable cores, reasonably good keyway on them, and two different bittings. So there's the bitting for one, and there's the bitting for the other. So both 6 pins. Federal locks normally have security pins in them as well. So if you give me a minute, because I've had to move the camera up because of the size of these, I'm going to have to readjust everything, get the vise in, and we'll have a go at picking and gutting both of these. So back in a minute. Alright, so here we go, got it all chopped up. You see in the background the second one here. This one is that bitting, so all locked up. So let's give this one a go. Right, there's a click on 2. Nothing on 3, click on 4, click on 5, nothing on 6. It was 1, 2 fills set, 3, got a click, 4, 5 and 6, nothing on 1, 2, 3, click on 4, 5 and 6. These do have quite heavy spring tension as well, so we're playing against that. And 1. So that's the first one open. Let's swap these over. And onto the second one. So this was the bitting on this one. And all locked up. So let's try this one out. So a little click on 1, nothing on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a little click on 6, click on 1, nothing on 2, 3, click on 4, a little bit of movement on the core, 5, 6, possible bit of counter rotation, but we'll come back to those. Nothing on 1 or 2, 3 with definite counter rotation. We got a nice click but lost the full set. There was 4. Click on 5. And nothing on 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why is it, oh, there we go, we've got to click on 6 and on 5. So nothing on 1, nothing on 2, 3, 4, counter rotation on 5, nothing on 6, so got a little click on 1 that time. Those 3 had dropped, and there we go. That's that one open. So let's get this vise out of the way. Let's get these lined up at the back there. Let's see what they have actually got inside them. Oh, camera problems. So let's begin with this one, which was that set of keys. So just the screw in there, but it's a little bit of an odd angle. And you can see where it's tucked right down on that side. There we go, that's a better screwdriver for it. And there's the screw out. The cord doesn't want to come out. There's a pick. Alright, I seem to remember with these, there's a pin. There we go. So we need to be careful. As you can see, there's the pin, and we've got an anti-bypass. So there's a spring-loaded pin there, which holds the core into place. So anti-bypass shim as well. Alright, we have a clip on the back. Alright, let's lock this up. Try and get this clip off. There we go. Key follower. And there we go. So we actually have drill protection there as well. And it looks like we might have a couple of interesting little bits in the core. So one is a serrated steel pin, 2 serrated brass, 3 standard brass, but that'll probably be and in 4 because of the length of them, much like the Americans, and then a serrated in 6, and we do have bits of counter milling in the top of everything. I think that's all. And the drill protection, so they're all counter milled. Then in the top we have standard steel, so we've got plenty of drill protection in there. Anti-bump pin, and seen before that we'll have the steel spring, and that one's copper. Then we have a spool, a spool, a spool, and a spool. And all copper springs. So let's keep those together for now. And then in the second one, which I would imagine will be the same, get them picked down there. There we go. Finger over the top to catch that pin. And the spring for the pin. There we go. That one's got the anti-bypass as well. It's just pitched in there a touch. Clip on here. There we go. And before I lose it, that spring's just popped off there. Key for this one. And looks like we've got the counter milling again. We've got brass, steel standard because it's short one, brass serrated, brass serrated, brass serrated, brass standard, and brass standard. Like I say, similar to the Americans, the short ones aren't serrated. And I don't know whether you can actually see, we'll focus, you can see the little bit of counter milling in the top there. And standard steel, copper spring, anti-bump pin, and a steel spring. So I think we can all guess what the rest of this is going to be. Spool, 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 and spool. So one of these locks I shall probably keep standard, and the other one maybe do a little bit of work on it, try and toughen it up a little bit. Stick that core back in that one so we don't get them muddled up. So just a quick close up of the pins, not that there's anything we haven't seen before. And the second one. So there we go, 2 Federal Lock HS70s, all done. Anyway, thanks for watching, see you again soon, bye.